what is 3R? In the concept of nature care, 3R brings meaning to 3 proactive steps that can be taken to take care of the environment. The first R is reduce, which means reducing the use of items that have potential to become waste that will have a negative impact on the environment, such as plastic. The second R is reuse, which means reusing used items so that they are not thrown away evenly. The third R is recycle, which means to recycle. These steps is referred to as giving a second chance for various products to become new products.
What is the importance of doing 3Rs? By practicing 3Rs, we can reduce the pollution level caused by the decreased need to harvest new raw materials, save energy, help sustain the environment for future generations, and reduce the amount of waste that will need to be recycled or sent to the landfills.
We all know the importance of reduce, reuse, and recycle. But have you ever contemplated what would happen if we abandoned all of 3Rs effort when we don't reduce, reuse, and recycle? We destroy natural habitats. The consequence from not recycling would be environmental impacts of landfills. The most pressing environmental concern regarding landfills is the release of methane gas. These gases can also contribute to climate change and create smoke if left uncontrolled. The creation of landfills typically means destroying natural habitat of wildlife. Landfills are potential sources of pollution in the environment that can cause water pollution, air pollution, soil pollution, and pollution of the natural environment.
There are some challenges in doing this 3R. First, the lack of awareness of the environment and the importance of 3R practices. Some or most people will think and say, why do we need to sort this trash? Besides that, people lack of knowledge about reuse, reduce, and recycle. Some of us know what recycle, reduce, and reuse means, but some people don't know how and what are things that we need to reuse, reduce, and recycle. So at least we must know the knowledge of the 3R even a bit. Another challenge is that most people does not prepare recycle bins, such as bins for plastics, paper, glass, and organic. People think it's a waste of time since they don't know that it's bring benefits.
Lastly, so you have known about the definition of go green, the importance of go green, the effect of go green, and others. You might have even delved into the environmental health issue of reason why people go green if you are really courageous. Ready for explanation of action step? The following ways to go green are among the first and most impactful steps you can take towards sustainable living. One of the simplest way to reduce energy consumption is to switch lights off when you leave a room. If it's sunny outside, open up the blind and make the most of natural lights instead. Next, bringing lunches to work in reusable containers is probably the best way to eat at work. Buying lunches every day almost can make packaging waste, and it's way more expensive than making your own food.